Hey, what's going on guys? Jonathan here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the EFFYDESK Business Edition. With the quarantine season going on, most of you are probably working from home, and you may be sitting for long hours at your desk. It may be time to get yourself a standing desk. You know, it's well documented that sitting for long hours is not good for your health and can cause a lot of back problems. With a standing desk, you eliminate all those long-term health issues and your body is way more aligned. The Business EFFYDESK is an electric adjustable standing desk with a dual motor system that allows you to move it all the way up or all the way down with a push of a button. You can also preset different positions, so if you go away from your desk and somebody plays around with it, you can just hit one button and go exactly to the perfect height that you like. Every desk comes with fast Canada-wide free shipping, a 5-year warranty, and a 30-day free trial satisfaction guarantee. So my final point on the product, I think that, you know, for what it is, for the amazing $600 Canadian price point, for what they offer benefits-wise, like a 5-year warranty, that 30-day satisfaction guarantee, and the fast free shipping, you know, I think that it's just an unbelievable deal. And I've really looked at the other standing desks that they have on the market, and they range from $1,000 to $3,000, and it's unbelievable how much they'll charge. But you know, the EFFYDESK offers all these things, and it's only 600 Canadian. It's pretty unbelievable if you ask me. You know, guys, I think it's important that you care about your health and invest in yourself. If you're going to be working from home more and more, especially due to the whole situation that we're in with the COVID, it's a smart move to invest in a standing desk, and you'll really appreciate it. Your back will appreciate it. You know, sitting for a stationary position for a long amount of time will cause a lot of damage. So getting a standing desk will really save you from causing yourself all that harm. If you're interested in the product, there's going to be links down below where you can get it for yourself, but that's pretty much everything for today. So thanks for watching, guys. I wish you all well and have a good one.